अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, दिस इज़ काशिफ शहजाद एंड आई एम योर आइल्स ट्रेनर। आज की वीडियो जो है वो अपनी क्लासरूम से मैं बना रहा हूँ आपको आइल्स के बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए कि आइल्स बेसिकली आइल्स स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरनेशनल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टेस्टिंग सिस्टम और इसके 4 मॉड्यूल होते हैं: लिसनिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग। ठीक हो गया। अब लिसनिंग में देखिए 40 मिनट्स पहले होते थे, अब कंप्यूटर बेस्ड में 30 मिनट्स होते हैं। 30 मिनट्स की ऑडियो होती है, 10 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलते ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए। और 40 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस नीचे मेंशन किए हैं, ये देखिए आप। इसको मैं थोड़ा जूम करके दिखाता हूँ। ये लिसनिंग में हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन हैं। 10 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलते, सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स की ऑडियो होती है। यू कैन नॉट रिवर्स इट, यू कैन नॉट पॉज इट, और आपको वो सुन के आंसर्स के क्वेश्चन देने होते हैं। When we come to the reading, it's a 1 hour part. Look at there, reading 1 hour part. You have 40 questions, you have 3 passages, and you'll have to sort out these 3 passages along with the questions. There are 13 questions at the end of one passage, 13 at the end of second, and the 14 in the third passage. Total 40 questions. You'll have to solve it, and you have only 1 hour. No, not a single extra second you will be allowed. When you'll finish the listening, maybe it takes couple of minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and you'll start the reading section. You'll have the access of all 3 passages during the uh, reading test. You can skip between section 1, section 2, and section 3. There are 3 sections, right? That takes 1 hour. After that, we'll come to the writing section. This is a very crucial section. You can see the 2 parts: academic and general training. There is a difference between task 1. In academic, you will have a graph diagram to explain, whereas in general, you'll have a letter to write. Very simple. Academic is tough, whereas task 2 is same in general or academic. You can see the writing task 2, in which you'll have 1 hour and you'll have to write 400 words, 150 for task 1 and 250 for task 2. And then there comes speaking. Remember one thing: whenever you book a test of IELTS, you'll have to take listening, reading, and writing test in one attempt at one time. That will take 2.5 hours. After that, you will have a couple of hours break, and then you will take the speaking test. In paper based, it used to be like on different days, but in computer based test, you have to take all of that test in one day. For example, I have booked a test for my student on Sunday. She has a LRW test, in which listening, reading, and writing test would happen on 9:30 a.m. That would long for 2 hours and 30 minutes. After that, she had chosen a time of speaking for 1:30. So that means she will finish her test maybe at 11 or 11:15 a.m. She'll take a break and then she'll come back for her speaking interview on 1:30 p.m. You see, it's an 11 to 14 minutes test, consists of 3 sections: section 1, 2, and 3. In section 1, you normally do some introduction, your hobbies, your uh, favorites, your unfavorites, whatever. That is all related to your personal things, your shopping, your dressing, your friends, all that. Whereas in section 2, you will have a cue card. A topic will be given to you and you will have to speak for a couple of minutes on that topic. Whereas in section 3, you will be asked about general questions about your topic. That is all speaking, maximum 15 minutes, not more than that. That is all test you'll have to take. We'll come to the band section, which I have pasted in my classroom, which is a band, IELTS band score. You can check in academic reading. If you take 30 marks, you will get 7 bands, and so on. The marks will increase and your band will increase. In general reading, when you touch 30, you will have 6 bands. So for 7 band, you'll have to touch 34. Whereas in listening, obviously, when you touch 30, there is a 7 band. Many people have scored 8 in listening and 8 in reading. A levels or O levels, people score 8.5 and 9 band. We had one student who scored 9 in listening and 9 in reading. So that is all the band structure of IELTS, which you can follow while during the preparation, and that is all IELTS detail which I have explained to you today. That is all which I have pasted in my classroom just to make student understand when he or she comes to the class. He or she should have the complete idea what actually IELTS is. दैट्स इट फॉर मी। अल्लाह ताला आपको अपनी हिफाजत में रखे, अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिए।